So we start out today's video with this coffee table DIY. Now, I featured this DIY in another video from another creator, and they didn't show us how they made it. So now we get the full breakdown of how to create this beautiful masterpiece. So she uses some IKEA bowls for this, glues them together. And she ends up creating this gorgeous spear. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. And then she adds the top. Wow. I absolutely love this idea. Such a beautiful design, and it looks very high-end. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So for the next DIY, we're going to be taking a look at someone. Looks like they're going to be putting together some pieces of wood here. Oh, they're making some type of lamp. Wow. Oh, that is really cool. Very nice design. And then we have someone doing some type of artwork piece. Oh, their hands holding. Oh, that's cute. Oh, and they place it over their master bed. I love this idea. Very romantic too. Very nice. And then we have a vase design. So I didn't know this was called hydro dipping. So they spray painted it and then added the paint to the water. And then dipped the vase in. Wow, that is just so pretty. It looks like a big, like marble masterpiece. So then we move on to this DIY mirror design. They have some marbles here, some wooden pieces, cardboard. Alright, so they're adding in the wooden sticks. Little marble pieces. Some gold. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. I was gonna say, I really don't like that like gold lace, but this actually looks really nice. And then we have a DIY featuring some clothespins. Lots of ways you can play around with these. Alright, so they took them apart. Now, I'm thinking that this is probably going to be another mirror design, but they could totally be creating something else. Oh, these would actually make for some really nice looking shelves. Well, they'd have to be way bigger though. Oh, a napkin holder. Oh, wow. That is nice. Okay, that's pretty cool. And you could spray paint this too if you wanted a different color. Very creative. DIY look for less. Okay, so they're going for that aged look. Using some dirt to create some texture. This actually looks like it would be a really fun project to try. A messy one, but a fun one. It also seems like it would be very relaxing too. Alright, so obviously she let that dry and then she's going in and sanding down some more. And then going in with some paint. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these DIY projects with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.